Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something. Oh, that was the end of the movie. Dang. Let's start over. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to Emmett Fitzhugh's math class. Today we're going over one assignment, or one question from an assignment we did last week. An assignment that I'm going to give you an opportunity to do again if you do not like your grade. So my advice is to pay close attention in case this is one that you missed while doing it the first time. Melissa purchased $39.46. The cashier gave her $1.46 in change from a $50 bill. How much change should the cashier have given her? A lot of questions when we were doing this assignment, or this question. A lot of people came up to me. So let's think and break it into parts. Amara, when she went to the cashier, how much did the cashier tell her the price was? Good. She told her that the price was $39.46. Grayson, what did she give the cashier? A $50 bill. This doesn't really enter anywhere to what we have to do. This is what the cashier who didn't have me for math, because she gave the wrong amount of change. Way wrong. How much change should she have gotten? Jane, or John, what should we do to solve this problem? Subtract. Good. I'm going to subtract my $50 bill, subtracting the, yes, okay, $50 bill, subtracting the $39.46 that it cost. Now I have to ask a really tricky question. See, what she pays has a decimal point. The 9 is in the ones place, and the decimal point's after the ones place. This one doesn't have a decimal point. Michael, what, the 5 or the 0, which one's in the ones place? The 0. That means my decimal point's always after the ones place. So if you don't see it, it's at the back of the number. Why is that important? Because when we subtract, we have to line up the place values. When we subtract, we have to line up the place values. But again, I see some problems. Elizabeth, you have nothing. Can you give me 6? No. Why not? Because you don't have anything. If I have $50 and I add no dimes to it, how much money do I have?
$50.
$50. If I have $50, no dimes, and I add no pennies to it, how much do I have?
$50.
$50. So did the value change
No.
by me adding this to the end?
No.
No. That did not change by me adding this to the end, behind the decimal point. Now when subtracting, I hate subtracting when I have to borrow across a bunch of digits. All right, so I can't take 6 from 0. I can't regroup my dimes to give me 10 pennies. I can't regroup my dollars to give me 10 dimes, so I can regroup the dimes to give me pennies. I have to go all the way to my tens, to my 5 tens. I've got to go to my tens place. So now this is how I want you to think about it. I'm going to show a bunch of extra steps, because usually when you've done this, you've crossed off, you've made this a 9, this a 9, and this a 10. But you have to know why you're doing it. So right now you're going to go just cross off, making a 9, a 9, and a 10. Just come on, you big dummy. But there's a reason, because you need to know the why and how it works. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking away $10, and I'm taking that here. So now I have $40 and 10 $1 bills. Does that change the value?
No.
No. That is still $50. So now I have 10 $1 bills. Now I still can't get 10 pennies, which I need 10 pennies. So now I need to take that one of those dollar bills, and I need to take that and change it to dimes. So now it becomes a 9. So now I have 4 $10 bills. I have, let's see, 9 $1 bills, and I need to give those to pennies, and so now our quarter or dimes. So now I have 10 dimes. So one $40 bill, one $9 bill, and 10 dimes. How much money is that? 50. Doesn't change the value. But I still can't subtract here. So now I need to take one of those dimes, and I need to go to Jacob, and I need to say, Jacob, give me 10 pennies for this one dime. And he says, what do you think, I'm rich? I don't have 10 pennies. So then I have to go to the really rich person, which is Miss Mackey, the principal, and she has that. So now I take one of those dimes, and I'm turning that into pennies. So now I have 10 pennies. So what I have in my hand now is I have a $40 bill, I have 9 $1 bills, I have 9 dimes, and I have 10 pennies. So I've not changed the value. Not a bit. I know, why couldn't you just put 9, 9, and 0? Because I don't want to. That's why. And I'm the boss. Mackenzie, stop arguing with me. All right, now we're starting with the pennies. If I have 10 pennies and I take 6 of them away, how much do I have left?
4.
4 pennies. Now I have 9 dimes, and I take 4 of those dimes away. How much do I have left?
5.
5. My decimal point comes straight down. Comes straight down when I'm adding or subtracting. Multiplying is different, but don't worry about that yet. Adding and subtracting, it comes straight down. Now I have 9 $1 bills. Jacob beats me up and takes 9 $1 bills from me. How much money do I have?
0.
0. Big bully. Now I have 4 $40 bills. Or, no, sorry, 4 $10 bills. 4 $10 bills. Elizabeth beats me up and she takes 3 of those $10 bills away. How much do I have?
1.
1. And I have 2 black eyes and broken collarbone. Because Elizabeth and Jacob beat me up.
How could you?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
You're mean.
How could you?
Boy.
So what she should have gotten back is $10.54. Now this kind of plays into what we're going to do today in our lesson, which is estimation. What could I say $39.46 is? Close to 40, right? And if I have 50 and I subtract 40, my answer should be somewhere near 10. That's why you want to estimate. Because if you go to the cashier, and the cashier's Maddox, and Maddox tries to give you $1.46, you can go, no, I estimated that. It should be around somewhere near $10. I did the estimation, now I'll do the real math and show you. Yeah, Maddox.
This is a scam.
Jeez. Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today, save the bees, and please don't report me. My name's Emmett Fitzhume.